小时候，感觉父亲有用不完的力气，有他在，我就什么都不害怕，可以无忧无虑地成长。时间无痕地流淌，这时，父亲两鬓的白发和蹒跚的步伐，已经无情地告诉我，父亲真的老了。给父亲最贴心的关爱，才能表达对父亲的感激。优度，无声的关爱。揭阳市灿煌五金制品有限公司坐落于素有中国五金基地的揭阳市。早在民国初期，揭阳市便出现了五金制品行业的雏形。揭阳市灿煌五金制品有限公司是一家实力雄厚的私营企业，以铰链、荷叶、滑轨等五金制品为主导产品，拥有先进的自动化生产和检测设备，同时以尊重专业、尊重人才为主导理念，建立了一套健全而科学的完整体系。现公司拥有一批高素质的专业人员和管理人员，实现了自主设计、自主研发的生产水平，同时生产规模也不断扩大，产品不断完善。公司坚持设计新颖、工艺精湛、质量可靠、规格齐全的优点，深受广大用户的赞赏和信赖。经过全体员工多年来的不懈努力，公司已通过 ISO 9001国际质量管理体系认证、美国 MEI 和日本 GISA 产品认证。如今，公司的产品已经畅销欧美、东南亚地区及国内的20多个省市，更以故居、爱顾家等品牌在同行业中享有极高的声誉。公司通过不断的探索和研发，一个五金制品行业的又一完美品牌优度诞生。优度将 You 永远放在第一位的品牌，用度将创新贯彻到产品每一个细节。优度坚持做铰链界的精品上品，它特有的人体工程力学设计，内置阻尼液压管，能更加有效地平衡受力点，避免了关闭时铰链因瞬间弹缩带来的碰撞噪音，更加减少了柜门瞬间关闭给柜体的静音时代，让你使用更加舒心。从模具生产开始便力求精细，每一个细节的完善都注定了优度液压铰链的品质。冲压是生产铰链不可或缺的工艺，也是考究技术精密的一个过程，是决定产品品质的关键。灿煌五金制品有限公司在冲压环节指派有专业的工程师督导生产工作，同时在冲压设备和产品原材料的质量上均经过了严格挑选。如今，优度的每一个铰链都是质量过硬的工艺品。为了让铰链达到静、精、韧、固等优点，公司在铰链的内置阻尼液压管上也花了很大心思。 Youdo的内置总一液压管采用了镀镍拉伸液压钢体，同时配备高强韧性的弹簧连接片，能抵受强力而不易变形。每一个环节都力求做到最好，是公司不变的理念。Youdo液压铰链在出厂前，细心的工人们都要为铰链检查它的品质是否过关，然后再进行包装。是灿煌五金制品有限公司注重创新和行动的精神，为成为引领行业家居五金配套专家而奋斗。
We are feeling father is never tired when we are young. We never scared to grow up when he is beside. Time passed fast. Now, white hair and a daughter is telling us that father is getting old. The best appreciation to father is the intimate care. Youdo is a care without a word to father. Jieyang Sanhuang Hardware Products Company Limited, located in Jieyang, where is famous as China hardware basement. Jieyang has appeared hardware product industry rudiment since early Republic of China. Jieyang Sanhuang Hardware Products Company Limited is a private company with rich technical resources. We have links, hinge, and slide etc. hardware products as our core products. We own advanced automatic production and detection equipments. Furthermore, we consider respecting a profession and high-quality talent as leading theory, and build up a whole set of scientific system. Now, we have abundant high-quality professional and management staffs to implement independent design and research, while enlarging production scale and perfecting product. Our company insists on the beliefs of novel design, exquisite technique, reliable quality, and complete standard. All those merits are trusted and admired by most of our customers. Our company passed the ISO 9001 International Quality Management System, United States MEI, and Japan JSA product certification by many years' efforts of all staffs. Now, our products have been selling well in European, United States, Southeast Asia, and more than 20 provinces in China. Furthermore, our solid and love solid brands win higher reputation in hardware industry. Another perfect brand in hardware industry called Youdo is grown through our company non-stop research and discovery. Youdo mean a brand put you in first and do carry out creation in every detail of any product. Youdo insist on producing refined product in hinge industry. His somatological engineer mechanics design and internal dam hydraulic pressure pipe can be more effective on the balance of press point to avoid crash noise from suddenly shattering of hinges. Furthermore, it reduces the caffeine hurt from suddenly shutter of guys. Youdo bring you a return to nature's silence era and make you use it more comfortable. We require elaboration from mode production as the reason of perfect anyone detail will plays important role on Youdo hydraulic pressure link quality. Punching is a necessary technique in producing link, a process to examine technique elaboration, a key point to decide on product quality. San Juan Hardware Products Company Limited appointed skilled engineer to supervise producing. At the meantime, strictly select on punching equipment and product raw material quality. Now, every link in Youdo is considered as higher quality products. In order to reach quiet, refined, tough, solid merits, our company spent a lot of time on internal temp hydraulic pressure pipe. Youdo internal temp type adopt nickel plate extend hydraulic pressure tank and equipped with a strong intention spring link, which can come out to intention without shifting. Do the best in every detail is our company never change belief. Our staffs will check the link quality before you do hydraulic pressure link release, then processing packaging. Jieyang San Juan Hardware Products Company Limited is focusing on creation and action spirit to struggle for being a leading specialist role in hardware industry.